Hey, so I wrote an app in Python to automate the organization of my downloads folder. So if you're like me, you can probably appreciate how messy the downloads folder can get, and it would be good if we could actually just get everything in its own folder based on the file type. So let's say all our PDFs would be in the PDF folder, all of our MP4s would be in a folder called MP4, things like that. All of our JPEG images would be in a folder called JPEG, and so on. So I've got some font files, I've got some disk images, I've got PDF files, an Excel file, and a few MP4 files in my downloads folder already. Um, I already wrote the app and I gave it a GUI with Tkinter, TK Inter. So let's just run it to see if it works. What it should do is create folders based on the types of files that are already in the downloads folder, and then move all of the files into the folders based on their specific file type. So let me go ahead and run this. All right, go ahead and click organize. Your folder is organized, and we can see over here now. We can see all the files are in their respective folders. If I hit organize again, there's nothing to do. It just says your folder is already organized. All right, so if you like this, let me know if you want me to actually go through the code. I can walk you through my thought process and how I built this up to this point. Next up, I'm going to actually uh, create an executable so that I don't have to run it through my IDE. It could just run natively on any uh, Mac OS, or maybe even I'll port it to Windows as well. So let me know.